Welcome back to another code tutorial. Let's take a look at how you can add your suppliers to your dashboard. First, open up the supplier panel. You can either add your suppliers manually, or if you have a CSV, you can import that. COHO provides its own template. However, if you have your own file, simply upload and click import. To add your suppliers manually, click Add Supplier. From there, add your supplier's details and select whether you want them to be a preferred supplier. You can also select what permission you want to give the supplier, whether they're able to submit quotes, invoices, as well as proposed finish dates. Finally, select what specialism they are, and they're now added to your dashboard. All your suppliers will appear under your supplier panel, so if you want their details or to put them on a job, it's just one click away. From the panel, you can also edit any details and archive any supplier if you don't use them anymore. Let's take a look at how this would work in practice. We previously covered how to add a new maintenance job, but let's quickly refresh your memory. Once we've gone through all the steps and selected the property, the room, and the issue, it will pop up to the final stage where you're able to select your supplier. Click See Issue, scroll down, and you can assign a supplier to the job. Once you've selected your supplier, you can choose what details you want to share with your tenants. For example, if there's a message, or if there's any access codes, tenants' emails, phone numbers, anything to make the supplier and tenant's life easier. Finally, in the supplier setting, you can go in and add any specialism if there's any categories missing.